Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now, power on the Ti-30xs Multiview, and clear any previous work so inputs behave predictably. Once the home screen is empty, choose DEG or RAD in mode, depending on whether you need degrees or radians for trig. Make sure the display shows the expected angle unit, otherwise sine and cosine will be wrong. If you plan multi-line work, enable the Multiview layout in mode so you can see multiple entries. This prevents retyping and helps track intermediate results. Now enter the expression using clear grouping. Type parentheses for nested operations so the calculator follows correct order. For example, 3 plus 4 asterisk 2. Use the second key to access inverse trig, x squared, and fraction templates. This speeds complex entry. When you need a previous result, press ANDS. To reuse values in later calculations, store with SDO and recall by alpha label. Once done entering, press Enter for the evaluated result and scan the Multiview lines to confirm each step. Finish by converting formats. Press the fraction/decimal key to switch exact fractions to decimals when needed, because exact form helps algebra, but decimals are often required for reports. Use the engineering or scientific display options for very large or small values so you don't misread zeros. If the calculator behaves oddly, perform a soft reset with second plus reset to clear mode glitches. Save variables first. And if you still see errors, check parentheses and angle mode. Those cause most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.